Oh, okay. Just a quick junk video. Just doing some computer upgrading stuff. Somebody sent me some stuff, and so I did some of that. And there's another one on the website where I'm, fixing things and whatever, and such. So just junk. So don't watch it. This is a junk warning, so don't complain about it being a junk video, please. So there. I'm sorry I've wasted 48 seconds of your time explaining that it's a junk video, but the title says it's a junk video. It's a junk video. Don't complain, or I'll block you. Yeah, that's probably a good policy right there. Okay, so enough said. Till next time. Yeah. I had some sort of thing. I don't know, like an allergy thing. I don't know what I got, but I'm really not feeling well. Whew. I was like freezing to death last night. It was 80 degrees in the house, and I was freezing. It's just not good. Anyway, till next time.
Alright, don't know how much memory's left on this camera. Man, my God. Anyway, yeah, I got some new computer parts here. So there's the motherboard here, so I'm gonna take the chip and the memory off that one and put it into this thing that I call mine. And I'm doing it just mainly, I'm gonna keep this board, even though it's a stinky motherboard, just because it's got 4 memory slots, so I can get 2 gigs in there, and that will really help, I think. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start working on that, and I will be back soon with update reports. Alright, pop the 2 extra memory sticks in there. So you probably see those. A little bit of a pain in the ass. I mean, really didn't push in quite as well as they easily as they should, theoretically. They really should have had them down to a science or something. So anyway, we'll hit the button and see if it blows up. See if the memory works. Oops, yeah, I did a little vacuuming stuff. Alright, let's see. Computer works properly. Okay, there's coming on the screen. There's the old, should do a memory test. Here we go. That's going to zoom through this thing. About 6 or 7 years it'll be done. Yeah. We can wait, right? There's a macro there, memory test. So I'm going to upgrade my processor. It's a 2.8 now, and I'll go to a 3.4. And we'll see what happens there. Gotta fix a couple of the fans. That little green fan there. That's the little noise maker. Oh, my Parkinson's not too good. Holy shit. Clean the heat sink and everything. And take that off, put the new chip in. Kind of neat, the power supply fan. It's got 2 fans. It doesn't turn on unless it needs to, which is kind of nice. Anyway, let's see what that annoying loud little green fan. Kill that fucker. Alright, well now the memory test should be about, this should be the last run through. So there we go. 1 gig. So that's where I used to stop. So now I have a whole extra gig. Yay! So life should be fun now. And I got a new sound card here too with the board there. See the sound card. I'll put that in, and hopefully I won't have this damn noise anymore. There, okay, all done. Got through that. Alright, I don't think there's any private information in here. I don't think so. Come on, hard drive. Come on. What the hell are you waiting for? There you go. Come on. There you go. Okay. In business. Yeah, there's the heat sink for the CPU. You can see the dust tickets in there. Kind of nasty. Yeah. Yep. Gross. So I'm going to pull that chip out and pop the other one in. See what the hell happens. I hate these connectors. I see these little connectors here. You pop them open, but then you got to pry them apart to get the damn thing to come off. It's just such a stupid system. But everything is everywhere. Everything is fucking stupid. So anyway, I'm going to clean up in there. And then pop the chip. Yes. Ooh, gross. Yuck. It's kind of dangerous sometimes to clean anything because, you don't know what kind of damage to do just cleaning. But whatever. I'll take our chances. I gotta pull that other little stupid fan while I'm doing here. Jerk ball fan. Yeah. This one shouldn't be too much trouble. I just got too close here. Yeah, came off sort of easy. Yuck. Clean up that mess there. And put new grease on there. And it'll be ready for summer. Get that one out of here, all this dust. Dead skin, as they say. I'm breathing my own death. Got a new video card, but I think this will serve us for a while. Anyway. Ugh. Yeah, that was fun, huh? Alright, I'll be back. Parts all cleaned. You know, these, you take the heat sink apart and clean it up with water, and then just brush it and all that crap. And there's little screws to hold this little fan. See, I oiled him a little because he's really a piece of crap, and there's, you know, just two little screws that hold it right into there. Blah blah blah. But just reassemble everything, and then we will move on to putting the goop on the CPU, the grease. Okay, parts are back together, and they've been greased, little chippers. So we'll just pop this back in there. I gotta be kind of careful, so I can't use the camera because I have to be kind of watching what I'm doing. Okay, kind of a scary moment. Turning on of the computer. Oof. Ooh, fan is horrible. I don't know what it's hitting, but it's hitting something. That's terrible. You don't have to do better than that, Gary. Let's see, we had a beep. Okay, memory's going, okay. No disasters, but holy shit. Definitely gonna have to fix that. Oh, it's the wire. Cool. Alright, now it's running clean and smooth. There we go. I win. Look how much quieter. You hear how quiet it is? Can you hear it? Yeah, it's gonna be nice when I put the cover on. Alright, so we're good for the summer, I think. Yep. See if it runs okay. 3.4 gigahertz. It recognized the new processor. So I think I'm rolling. It's looking good. Yeah. Ooh, that's quiet. Ooh, when that cover's on, it's going to be quiet in there. Wow. I can't really put the cover all the way on. This damn plug-and-play crappy thingy, whatever it is, the USB port. I have to kind of run it out the side. I don't really have the hard drive hooked up where it's supposed to be, and you know, a few thousand other things. What the hell is this? Well, anyway, I won't worry about it. Put it in somewhere later. Gotta push some of these cords in here. Don't blow up nothing, Gary. Come on. Stupid asshole. Don't fuck with it. Let's get the cover covered up. Close enough. Alright, it's making a little rattle, but it's not bad. I'm gonna have to watch that cord. Yeah. Have to tape it or something. Alright, let's see what the memory does. I think one of the chips wasn't seated right. So I went to 1.5 gigs. It should be 2, I think. Let's see where it goes. 1.5. Let's see. Come on, 1.4. Come on, 1.5. Come on, 1.6. Good. Now it's 22. All right. I think I'm okay. I think I am. There, 2. Hey, it's supposed to stop now. Okay, there we go. All right, so it's recognized 2 gigs, so I think I'm set. Oh, sound card, I gotta do that. Well, I'm not gonna bother. I won't bother. Videoing that, too much trouble. Yeah, that's all I gotta do is a sound card. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. CPU has changed. Please recheck. Well, I'll say I gotta do the whatever you call it, the CPU checking of the CPU. We didn't have to. F1. Why didn't it? Well, I don't think it's going to know the difference. I don't think it's going to matter. It's the same bus speed and stuff. Anyway. Blow up or anything. CPU's got to be okay. I ain't going to blow up. Alright. Well, we're in business. No, there's more. Yeah, still recording pretty good. I didn't think the batteries would last this long. I've been in here like a week. Well, a few days. Let's do it. I like my... Come on. Put up the screen. Come on. Come on. Windows. Shush. Alright. Look at that. Nice. That's a good one. Oh, mouse is working. Good. Yeah, I'm in business. Alright. I'll see you later.